Want to renew your driving license in Oman without any hassle? Here's a simple guide using the ROP app to get it done in minutes. Before you start the process, make sure to visit the nearest optical center and complete your eye test. Once that's done, you are ready to begin. Open the ROP app and click on Traffic Services. Next, tap on Renewal Services and select Driving License Renewal. Here, you will see all your information, including your eye test results, which have already been registered. Check the fee details carefully, then click Confirm Payment. You'll receive a notification. Tap Pay to continue. The payment page will open. Enter your details and complete your transaction. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message asking you to visit the nearest traffic services center to collect your renewed license. You can also collect it from one of the self-service machines available in select hypermarkets across Oman. Finally, to check if your license has been updated, go back to the home page, click on Document Services, then Driving Licenses, and finally Electronic Driving License. You'll be able to view your updated license right there. Remember, you can only renew your license after it has expired, not before. Hope this helped. Save this video so you're ready when it's time to renew. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you soon.